Hello, good morning everyone. Today is Friday morning. I have some few classes in the morning. Ngayong 8:30, mayroon akong free trial lesson and I'm very excited kasi first time na nagka-free trial class ako as I return here in 5-1 Talk. Mayroong nagtatanong kung FT teacher ako. No, hindi pa ako FT teacher. Pero yung iba, maybe they qualified already as FT teacher. They have a lot of FT classes. Yes, kasi dapat mag-qualify ka sa standard ni 5-1 Talk kasi yun yung mga magta-trial for the class here in the platform. If they like the way the teacher teach, and if the student is assessed according to the correct level of the student, then of course mag-i-enroll sila. Tapos sa narinig ko is 500 to 600 ata ang incentive ng isang FT teacher kung nag-enroll talaga si student. Yeah. So hopefully makapag-enroll yung student para naman may additional incentive. Syempre, that's our happiness yung maka-receive naman tayo ng incentives. And by the way, I'll show you the memo kasi iba yung memo ng isang FT class. Dalawa yung undone. Okay. Yan, may dalawa siyang undone, 'di ba? Kung titignan natin yung iba, isa lang yung undone, meaning dyan ka magle-lesson memo. Pero dyan sa FT class ko, dalawa yung undone. Kasi yung isa is under level assessment. Yung isa naman is lesson memo. So, you have to assess the student according to the performance of the student. Yung material ba ay suited lang sa kanya or yung material ba ay very easy sa kanya or very hard for his level. So, after assessment, so kung nagustuhan niya ang pamamaraan ng pagklase ng teacher, posible na maging regular student muna siya. Yeah. So, if ever na magustuhan niya ako, he might be my regular student. Pero wala yung assurance. Okay, so hopefully, I could able to also make my part as an FT teacher. I also have prepared additional teaching aids kasi nga, yung klase namin is, I guess you're familiar of it. That's a very common topic, yung breakfast, lunch, dinner. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Morning, afternoon, night. So, yun yung kaming klase ngayon. Here are my teaching aids. So, good luck! Good luck! I'm very excited.